everyone, Rat Saint here, Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife Day Traders. Today it's Tuesday, August 5th, 2025. Well, today is Monday, but the video is coming out on Tuesday, so don't be thinking, well, right now it's posting old videos or previous day videos. I'm making this video for today because I think it's important, okay, and you might learn a lot of what goes into a trader's mind, okay, and some rookie mistakes that I've been trading for over 15 years, and today I made a very rookie mistake. At the end, it ended up awesome. The analysis was great, and we're gonna just gonna go with this. We had if you watch yesterday's video, you might want to check it. You know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, check that out first. That would be my recommendation. We had a minor entry level, and we took a trade here to the upside. I cut it out short because I wasn't so sure if market was gonna keep on going or not, and market did what it did. It reached this main entry exit level. All that I'm saying here is a summary because I explained it in the previous video. These are the results of what happened. Market hit here, pop, and it bounced right back. So it was a matter of waiting for a sell setup to show up. However, the trading world is not perfect. I love when market is really easy to follow, and let me put this here so you can understand what I'm talking about. And let me know in the comments any questions that you have, okay, or if you're understanding everything, you have any. So this was yesterday's trade, yesterday's first trade that we took, $160, and I said, well, I'll wait for another opportunity to reach my trading goal for my trading plan and all that stuff. Market bounced here, so this was my first mistake, just by selling the market just to grab a few points, and I would have been done really quickly, but well, sometimes market has other plans for us. So let me go to the 1 minute chart, okay, so you can check this out. 1 minute chart, let's go to that. Okay, let me get my cursor back. Okay, here we are. Hey, where are you? Okay, it takes a little bit of time. So we're gonna go back. Okay, and okay, here we are. Right. There are a few things here, and I'm gonna try to explain everything, or at least the most of what I was looking here. Okay. Like I mentioned, I took a sell right here. No analysis. Well, the analysis is the big picture analysis, okay? I knew market was gonna, highly probable, I explained about that it was gonna go down. So I didn't wait for any setup, I just sold. Okay, eventually it will work out my way, but it did not. It took a while. It took about an hour and a half, an hour and 40 minutes to finally market give me some profits, some really nice profits anyway. I sold 2 contracts here at 66.64. Market went up and retested the previous high. That's okay. Look how market is reacting around that main entry exit level. It was there was a lot of pressure trying to get above that level, but they always came back down. We have a small support zone here. We have a big support zone way down here. So I did never ever do this, okay? If you don't know or never add positions to a losing trade. I sold another contract after market rejecting that small resistance zone because I wanted to, this was a terrible entry, terrible entry. So I sold another contract to make my entry level a little higher, better price, and market started moving nicely to the downside. However, they bounced right back of that small support zone. This is a very weak support zone. So, and they did another higher high swap. And you might be asking yourself, why, how? Oh, you're crazy. Some people have told me, oh, you're crazy. Why are you holding that trade? That's a losing trade. It's not, okay? Well, at least not yet. And I was willing to hold it. I'm not gonna say I wasn't a little nervous, okay? But we have here, here, and we have here, okay? We have a resistance trend line. Market did a higher high, then they tried. This is a maybe a stop loss hunter, whatever, and they came back and retested that. My stop would have been above here, and I wish the video, because I made the video after after this trade was finished, and I explained a lot of things which I don't know if I know I'm not gonna have enough time to explain everything, but let me know in the comments and I will get into a little more in depth, okay, of my trade management following price action. Then market came back down again. As I mentioned, market was all over that main entry level, and finally they started pushing to the downside. I said, well, now I am more confident that the market they're gonna get tired of trying to push the price up, so we should see a push to the downside. There's a reason for that. So I sold yet another contract, so I made my average entry at 66.71. Okay, market came back again and retested that level, and once it was rejected, like once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I mean, it was a lot. Then finally, poof, they started pushing to the downside, and well, sometimes luck is on our side. I think this is one of the worst winning trades that I've had since the beginning of the VanLife Day Traders YouTube channel. I appreciate you watching the videos and sharing, comment. Please help us help other traders as well. So I'm gonna do this really quickly. You know how it is. CL sell setup per my legacy futures trading strategy. We have entry. We have 4 contracts at 66.71. I mentioned that was the average of all of the 4 contracts. You want to check it out, add all the entries and divide them by 4, and you should get 66.71. But let me put this here, average entry. Okay, we have target. We have 4 contracts at 66.50, which equals, I love this math, it's 21 ticks. 21 ticks. Actually, you don't need to put 0.00 because there are no decimals in ticks. 21 ticks. Okay, pop. Total trade. We have 4 contracts times 21. That's gonna be 80. Oh, actually 84. 84 ticks, which equals 840 bucks. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because we know market gives 20 bucks. 20 bucks. I knew I was gonna screw this up, $10 per CL tick. Okay, that was the result of all this mess that happened, which I am not happy about. I'm happy that that we took some profits, but it was horrible. Okay, horrible. Actually, I went to bed and I said, you know what? I'm not gonna lose my sanity here just waiting for the market to do what I understood it was gonna do, and boom, take profit. Really nice result, and that was it. All right, now I'm going back to sleep. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments questions, complaints, jokes, and as you know, you want to learn my trading strategy, you want to join our trading group. Questions, comments, complaints, jokes. That I knew I was missing something. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife day traders. Now you go and have a go. Oh, wait a minute. Before you go and have a great one, check it out. Okay, so we got $160 in the first trade, and then we got $840 in the second move, total 980. This was a trade I took last night on the NASDAQ actually. So these were today's results, and yeah, it ended up being an awesome trading day. I hope I don't have to go through all of this again. All right, 21 ticks. You know, I like looking for 15 to 20 ticks, so this was perfect. Now you can go and have a great one. Catch you.